Good evening, my dear students. Today we are discuss about genetic code in third unit. So, what is the genetic code? Genetic code means simply information about cell, tissue, organs, or any other living systems. So, the information stored in a DNA and RNA. The DNA and RNA containing the nitrogen bases. The nitrogen bases means adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, or uracil. These four are presented in the DNA and RNA. So the genetic code. What is the genetic code definition? Genetic code is defined as three triplet codons. Three or triplet codons base sequence. Three triplet codon base sequence in the mRNA for the protein synthesis. Is known as the genetic code. Genetic code means three nitrogen bases or triplet codons are sequenced in the mRNA for the protein synthesis is known as the genetic code. The triplet codons. What is the triplet codons? Minimum three nitrogen bases are present in the each and every triplet codon. For example, AUG, adenine, uracil, guanine is one of the triplet codon. The next one, GG, one of the triplet codon. GAU, one of the triplet codon. These are the each and every triplet codon having the information. Which type of information? For example, AUG is the, for example, length. AGG, for example, width. The next one, GAG, for example, color. Each and every triplet codon having the particular information about cell, tissue, organ, any other living system. So the totally how many triplet codons are present in the body? So totally how many triplet codons are present in the body? Simply how many amino acids are present in the body? 20 amino acids are present in our body. The 20 amino acids produces the 64 triplet codons. 64 triplet codons produced in the body. So how to produce this? Totally how many nitrogen bases are present in the DNA and RNA? 4 only. 4 only. The next one, triplet codon containing the totally how many nitrogen bases? 3. 4 power 3. Simply 4 into 4 into 4. Totally 64. These 64 triplet codons are produced by the amino acids. These 64 triplet codons is classified into two types. What are there? One is the sense codons. Second one is the non-sense codons or termination codons or anti-codons. Termination codons are anti-codons. Sense codons, non-sense codons or termination codons or anti-codons. So sense codons is a total 61 sense codons are present in the body. Remaining 3 is the termination or anti-codons or nonsense codons are present in our body. So these are the total 64 triplet codons are produced from the 3-end direction to 5-end direction only. Starts from the 3-end direction to 5-end direction only. For example, AUG here, the next one up to 5-end direction. It continuously produces the 64 amino acids. So these are the only what is the starts from the 3-end to 5-end direction only. The 61 plus 3 triplet codons are starts from the 3-end to 5-end direction only. But the nonsense codons are starts from the 5-end direction to 3-end direction only. The nonsense codons are total 3 nonsense codons are present in the body. That is known as the UAG. The next one UAA. The next one UGA. These three are the triplet codons are present in the human body. It having the uracil, adenine, guanine. Uracil, adenine. Uracil, guanine, adenine. These three are the act as a anti-codons. The anti-codons is the stopping of the, what is the importance of the anti-codons? The anti-codons is the stopping of the protein synthesis. The protein synthesis stopped by the nonsense codons and indirectly stopping of the translation process or stopping of the protein synthesis in the body by only the nonsense codons. So the UAG means amber. UAG means amber. The next one UAA means ochre. UAG means ochre. The next one UGA means opal. opal. This is about nonsense codons. So what is the importance of the sense codons? The sense codons are involved in the synthesis of mRNA, and it is involved in the translation process and produces the proteins in the body. Indirectly, it is stored in a protein. It is the storage of the genetic information. The genetic information stored in each and every protein by the only 61 triplet codon. The 61 triplet codons are produced by only 20 amino acid. Each and every amino acid minimum produces the 2 to 4 triplet codons are produced by the only 20 amino acids. This is about genetic code. So the genetic code having the, what is the characters of the genetic code? So the first character is the universality. Universality. And second character is the, what is the second character? Specificity. The next one, third one is known as the non-overlapping. And the next one, fourth one is the degenerate. Totally 4 characters are presented, 4 characters about genetic code. What is the universality? Universality means the same codons are used to code for the same amino acid in the living organisms. Same codons are presented in the living organism is known as the universality. For example, AUA presented in the mitochondria. Same AUA presented in the cytoplasm. AUA presented in the mitochondria, it acts as a methionine. Methionine is nothing like that, one of the amino acid. Then next one, UAA presented in the cytoplasm, it acts as a isoleucine. Means same triplet codon act as a methionine, act as a isoleucine, is known as a universality. Same codon act as a same amino acid, or same amino acid act as a same triplet codon, but location is the different locations. So one is the presented in the mitochondria, another situation present in the cytoplasm. It produces the methionine and isoleucine. This is known as the universality. So the next one, specificity. These are quite opposite word of the universality. In universality, 2 codons are presented in the same situation. So for example, methionine act as a UAA, isoleucine act as a AUA. So these are the same codons produced from the different amino acid, but the specificity, it produces the AUA always methionine in any condition or any situation. The next one, AUG act as a isoleucine in any condition only, or AUG act as a methionine in any condition, AUG act as a isoleucine in any condition also. So this is about the specificity. The next one, non-overlapping means the genetic code is read from fixed point. The genetic code read from fixed point. For example, AUG GAATCC AUG. So is the continuation codon. These are the non-overlapping, means a genetic code is read from the fixed point to continuous base sequence. It is a non-overlapping and without any punctuations. From instance, continuously read from the AUG GATCC, but in some condition it divided into triplet codon. AUG 1 triplet codon, GAA triplet codon, TCC triplet codon, AUC triplet codon. This is called as a non-overlapping. So the non-overlapping is here there is no chance for the overlapping. The continuously sequence is presented here is non-overlapping. It leads to the mutation. What is the mutation? Sudden changes occurs in the genetic information or sequence of the nitrogen base pairs. Sudden changes occurs in the sequence of the genetic code is known as the mutation. The mutation occur in the non-overlapping. Non-overlapping also presented in the genetic code. The next one, degenerate. The degenerate means the most of the amino acids have the more than one codon. For example, so totally how many triplet codons are presented in there? 61 plus 3. The 61 is produced from only 20 amino acid. Each one amino acid minimum synthesis of the 2 to 4 triplet codons are produced from our body. So produced from our body in the amino acid. For instance, glycine, for example glycine, it produces the 4 triplet codons. This is called as a degenerate. Continuously the glycine, it produces a minimum 4 triplet codons only, maximum 4 triplet codons only. This is called as a degenerate. So the next one, this is about characteristics. This is about introduction about genetic code. So the genetic code in the is about only 61 amino acid. Remaining is the nonsense codon. The nonsense codons are starts from the 500 to 300 direction. It is a 3. These are 3 are nonsense codons are presented in the human body. UAG, UAA, UGA. These 3 are present in the body. What is the importance of the nonsense codons? It is a stopping of the translation or protein synthesis. How to stop the translation process means, how to stop that translation process means, it starts from the 500 to 300 direction. What is the sense codon? Sense codon starts from 300 to 500 direction. It is oppositely produces the nonsense codons. So it is stopping of the sense codon sequence. The next one, what is the structure of the RNA? This is the structure of the RNA. Rough diagram about RNA. The RNA containing the arms, totally 4 arms are presented in the RNA. This is the anticodon arm. The anticodon arm having the one triplet codon. That triplet codon only choose from these three only, any one. For example, UAG in case of attached at the anticodon arm in a RNA, it is the stopping of the protein synthesis. So this is about genetic code. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.